It was a rainy evening. A girl named Alina sat alone at a small cafe looking outside the window. Raindrops slowly slid down the glass. She whispered to herself, "Some days just feel empty." Just then, a boy walked in, completely wet from the rain. He looked around and asked,
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit.
Thanks. I'm Noah.
I am Alina.
For a moment, silence filled the space between them. Then, Noah laughed softly.
Strange two strangers sharing a table in the rain.
Maybe not so strange.
They started talking about small things, weather, books, life. Noah said,
Do you believe people meet for a reason?
Alina looked at him.
I used to.
He asked.
What changed?
She paused.
People leave.
Noah's smile faded slightly.
Not everyone does.
The growing connection days passed. They kept meeting at the same cafe, same table, same time. One evening, Noah said,
I think this place is lucky for me.
Alina raised an eyebrow.
Why?
Because I met you here.
He said simply. Alina looked away, hiding her smile. One day, Noah noticed she was quiet. He said,
Something's wrong, Dow.
Alina sighed.
Why do you care?
Because I want to.
She looked at him, then whispered,
I lost someone.
Noah didn't interrupt. She continued,
I waited for him, but he never came back.
I'm sorry.
Silence. Then Noah said,
Then don't wait anymore.
Rain started again outside.
It's not that easy.
Start with something small.
Like what? She asked. Like trusting me, he said. Her heart skipped a beat. Slowly, days turned into weeks. They laughed more, talked longer. One evening, Noah said,
Can I tell you something? I don't think we met by accident.
You said that before.
No, this time I mean it differently.
What do you mean?
I've seen you before, though.
When?
At the train station a year ago.
Her heart stopped. She whispered,
That's where I lost him.
I was there that day, too.
Then you saw what happened?
I tried to help, but I was too late.
You were there all this time?
I didn't know how to talk to you, but when I saw you again, I couldn't walk away.
Why didn't you tell me earlier?
I was afraid. Afraid you would hate me.
Alina looked at him. All the pain, memories, and emotions mixed inside her.
You remind me of that day.
I know.
But you also helped me forget it. I am grateful.
Rain stopped outside. Alina smiled gently.
Maybe people don't meet by accident.
Maybe they meet when they need each other most.
They sat together, quietly. But this time, it didn't feel empty anymore.
Do you believe people meet for a reason, or just by chance? Write in comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.